Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to delete the finished project on a Canva application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is we just need to go click or open the Canva application. Hold on until it's open, and here we go. We already have the Canva open, and to access our project you just need to go click in this second section, which is project. You just need to click it, and now you just need to find which project that you already finished on this Canva. So for example, here I already finished this project, so the way that we need to do to delete this project is just go click these three small dots, and after that just go click this move to trash, and now those projects will be disappearing from our project. So that's the way how to delete the project on a Canva. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.